Alright, today we're got the A50 gaming headset, wireless gaming headset and base station. So we're gonna pop it open. Oh, there we go. Looks pretty good. Pretty fancy looking. Got a, looks like an optical cable. Set that aside. Some stuff from before. There we go. Some more stuff. Oh, there's the base station manual. There's a USB cable. Standard little mini USB. It's got all the connectors there. So many must go in here. And this side plugs those optical things, connectors. Switch. It says PC or Xbox. So I got it set on PC. It's got auxiliary connector there. So USB, micro USB, auxiliary, the next port, and optical out, optical in, charge, PC or Xbox. Xbox that way, PC this way. And that's the charging station. And there's the headset. Nice flexible microphone. If I can get the bag off. Well, I'm not going to waste video time on that bag. So that looks like everything in the box. If I can. Pretty slick system. As you can see here, this is the A40 model I've been using for several months. Love this thing. Great headset. Beautiful sound. Now I got the wireless one, so I can move around a little bit more.